Welcome back to the channel. A little daytime action with Patriot parachutes, 30 shots. There's the border size. And the effect reads, watch as parachutes with red, yellow, and blue smoke trail American flags across the sky. 30 shots, parachutes, 50 feet, about a minute in duration, vertical firing, loud volume, and it's recommending 50 feet distance. Let's get into it. Pretty cool parachutes. I love parachutes personally. Not very loud, but I like the consistency of the parachutes deploying with the smoke. Looks pretty damn good. Look at that. Keep the thunder rolling.